The death of former Tata Sons chairman Cyrus Mistry has not only shocked the country but also sparked a needful debate on passenger safety. After reports of Mistry not wearing seatbelt emerged, many believed that it may have been the difference between life and death. While the importance of seatbelts is a no-brainer, it is surprising that seatbelt rule for rear seat passengers is not strictly followed and enforced in India. This is the state of the car following its fatal crash, which killed the former Tata Sons chairman Cyrus Mistry and his friend Jahangir Pandole. Just one look at the vehicle lets you know the intensity of the tragic incident. This is a Mercedes-Benz GLC, which is equipped with 7 airbags along with a pre-safe system, where front seat belts can be electrically pre-tensioned in hazardous situations, and yet it could not be enough to prevent the ill-fated outcome. The tragic incident has triggered a big conversation on passenger safety and seatbelt protocol. While it is true that seatbelts do not play catalyst for airbags, it has been indeed proven that both remain interrelated when it comes to safety. As per experts' advice, an airbag by itself may not be an effective alternative when an occupant is thrown forward with force, because the chance of crashing into the airbag with a higher impact are likely. This is where the significance of seat belts comes in play. Seat belts ensure holding and securing the occupant in the seat.
एक्सीडेंट रू बंचिया पे हेले सीट बेल्ट जदि सीट बेल्ट पिंधि थाते से हुए तो बंची पारते सुरक्षा लेवलटा रोज सेंसर ऊपर डिपेंड करूँ कौ सेंसर रे कौन अटैक कर फ्रंट साइड रू डैश हेले फ्रंट साइड रो ये सेफ्टी बेलून तो बाहर ही बाहर किंतु सीट बेल्टा निहाती पिंधा दरकार जदि गाड़ी कौन सी जगार एक्सीडेंट है से गोटे ऑब्स्ट्रक्ल पाइला गाड़ी तो रहीगला से किंतु आमर बॉडी रो मूवमेंटा गाड़ी सहित सेतिकी स्पीड रे ही सेतिकी फोर्स रे आगो को बढ़ुता है जेतेबेले गाड़ी रहीगला किंतु आम बॉडी रो मूवमेंट अच्छी आम सीट बेल्ट पिंधि नाती निहाती आम फिंगे पड़वा।
So, this is a wake-up call for stricter enforcement of seat belt for all rule. In the wake of Cyrus Mistry incident, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari said that not wearing seat belts in the rear seats in cars will attract penalty and a draft notification will be issued soon. Earlier, there was a penalty only for the driver and co-passenger in the front seat.